Hey guys, Jim Edwards here, and welcome to another episode of Working Out with Jim. So I'm actually on the elliptical, and that's why it looks like I'm doing weird stuff. Hopefully you can hear me okay. I'll find out after this video is done. But this morning I did a video with letting the chickens out with Jim, and that video was talking about either integrate or eliminate, which is the theme that I brought home. One of the themes I brought down, one of the themes that I brought home from Funnel Hacking Live. And so I want to talk for a minute about eliminate. What should you eliminate from your life? And when you come home from events like this, or you read a book, or you just have some kind of outside influence, we tend to come up with this huge list. I know I had a huge list, still do, of all the stuff we're going to do. And I'm going to do this, I'm going to do this, I'm going to start a podcast, and now I'm going to start 2 podcasts, and I'm going to go on Facebook Live every single day, and I'm going to publish an article, and I'm going to set up like 10 funnels, and I'm going to just do all this stuff. And there's a problem. I want to tell you a quick story, and then we'll talk about, how to eliminate or what to eliminate. So I want you to imagine, and I give credit, my buddy Duke Clark was the first one that ever explained it to me this way. I want you to imagine you wake up this morning and you have on your pajamas, and instead of taking your pajamas off, you just put on your clothes over top of your pajamas. Then you go to the gym and you work out and you're all sweaty and nasty, and you come home and you take a shower, but you don't take your clothes off. And then you put on a change of clothes over top of your pajamas, over top of your other clothes. Now you're wearing 3 sets of clothes. Then it's time to go to bed, and you put on another set of pajamas. Pretty much, if you never take your clothes off before you put on new clothes, within 2 days you're going to be totally immobilized because you'll be wearing like 8 sets of everything. Like right now I'm starting to sweat. I need to take off this jacket. And so that's how it goes with stuff that we want to do. Before you can take something on, you have to take something off. So if you're looking at this big list of stuff you want to do, on the left side, you better have a list of stuff on the right side of stuff you're going to not do anymore. Now, one of the easiest things to not do anymore is spend hours and hours watching TV, tons of time on social media, stuff that you're wasting time on. But once you've eliminated that, then you really need to start thinking in terms of, okay, what do I eliminate from my business activities that I'm going to replace with this new stuff that I'm going to be doing? Like me, I'm actually going to have to eliminate one of my membership sites in order to do the things that I want to do. And that's a really hard thing because I've been working with somebody for like 2 years, but I figured out a way to integrate, so it's not a bad thing because I'm not losing this person. But my point is, here's where you look. Track your time for a week. You can use apps, time tracker. God forbid you used a piece of paper and a pen. Just keep track of what you're spending time on and make that list. And I guarantee you, just like basic business 101, you're getting 80% of your results from 20-25% of the things you're doing. And you're only getting 20-25% of your results from 80% of the stuff that you're doing. But the biggest thing, and the biggest thing you need to understand, is that in order to start doing something new, you've got to stop doing something else. Because otherwise your family life's going to suffer, your health's going to suffer, something's going to suffer because you are stealing time from something else. So do it consciously, and I think you'll be a lot happier. So I just wanted to clarify from this morning's video of letting the chickens out, specifically what I meant by eliminate. And I know that it's hard to let go of stuff, especially things that you've been working on and you don't want to admit maybe aren't working or just aren't doing what you want them to do. But it's better to cut them off now than to keep letting them bleed your time and really your life out of you. So today's theme again, integrate or eliminate. And those are my thoughts on how to eliminate. So everybody have a great day. If you have any questions about this, ask in the comments down below. Who knows, I might do a little wrap up this afternoon. So y'all have a great day. I'm gonna finish my workout and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye, everybody.